Hello, I'm Rosa Escareño, General Superintendent and CEO of the Chicago Park District. We aimed high this year and made impressive strides towards reaching many goals with your support and that of our amazing Park District team, as well as the support of our Board of Commissioners and our many dedicated volunteers and partners. Among some of the most notable highlights of 2023 is our move from a leased downtown location to our new home here in Brighton Park and the official opening of a brand new fieldhouse on a 17-acre park in a community deprived of parkland. As we look ahead, we are hopeful for a new year full of ambitious goals to improve service delivery, strengthen our team of professionals, enrich our recreation and cultural opportunities, build health equity, and solidify our presence as Chicago's green stewards. As we plan for the future, we want to do it with your input in mind. So please continue to share your thoughts with us. You can help make this holiday season extra special for our kids by making a small donation to our financial assistance fund, which helps families in need. As we close out 2023, I invite you to watch this short snapshot and celebration of the major accomplishments this year. On behalf of the entire Park District family, I'd like to wish you and your loved ones a very happy and safe holiday season and a prosperous new year. Thank you.